Welcome to Smart Explore Kids. Let's learn about crawling animals today. This is an ant.
Ants are tiny workers that crawl in long lines. They carry food and build busy homes underground.
Say hello to the crocodile.
Crocodiles crawl low with strong legs and big jaws. They rest near rivers and muddy banks.
Look, it's a spider.
Spiders crawl on 8 legs and spin sticky webs. They quietly wait to catch insects.
Here comes the crab.
Crabs crawl sideways with hard shells and claws. They scurry along beaches and rocks.
Say hi to the ladybug.
Ladybugs crawl on leaves with bright red spots. They help gardens by eating tiny bugs.
This is a beetle.
Beetles crawl with shiny shells like armor. They move on plants, soil, and trees.
Meet the scorpion.
Scorpions crawl with pinchers and curved tails. They hide during the day and come out at night.
Here comes the centipede.
Centipedes crawl very fast with many legs. They love dark and cool places.
This is a millipede.
Millipedes crawl slowly and curl into a ball. They like damp soil and leaves.
Look at the caterpillar.
Caterpillars crawl on leaves and munch all day. They will turn into butterflies one day.
Say hello to the termite.
Termites crawl inside wood and soil. They work together to build tall homes.
Here comes the cockroach.
Cockroaches crawl quickly and hide in small spaces. They are mostly active at night.
This is a snail.
Snails crawl slowly with shells on their backs. They leave shiny trails behind them.
Say hi to the slug.
Slugs crawl like snails but without shells. They love wet gardens and rain.
Look, it's an earthworm.
Earthworms crawl underground and help plants grow. They make the soil healthy.
Here comes the gecko.
Geckos crawl on walls using sticky toes. They come out at night to hunt bugs.
This is a lizard.
Lizards crawl on rocks and warm ground. They enjoy basking in the sun.
Say hello to the skink.
Skinks crawl smoothly with shiny skin. They move very fast and hide quickly.
Here comes the tortoise.
Tortoises crawl slowly with hard shells. They enjoy eating leaves and resting.
Look at the frog.
Frogs crawl before they hop and jump. They love water and make croaky sounds.
This is a salamander.
Salamanders crawl in wet forests and under logs. They are soft and slippery.
Say hi to the chameleon.
Chameleons crawl carefully on branches. They can change colors to blend in.
Here comes the iguana.
Iguanas crawl on trees and rocks. They rest calmly in the sun.
This is a stick insect.
Stick insects crawl slowly and look like twigs. They hide using clever camouflage.
Look, it's a silverfish.
Silverfish crawl fast with shiny silver bodies. They hide in dark corners and books.
Say hello to the snake.
Snakes crawl by slithering without legs. They move smoothly across the ground.
Here comes the turtle.
Turtles crawl slowly with shells on their backs. They rest near water and land.
This is a leech.
Leeches crawl with long, stretchy bodies. They live in wet places.
Look, it's an alligator.
Alligators crawl low with strong tails. They relax near rivers and swamps.
Say hi to the hedgehog.
Hedgehogs crawl close to the ground. They curl into spiky balls when scared.
Great job, little explorers. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning.